Day one is also demo day, aka junk removal. So to make sure we save on costs, I'm here instead of hiring someone to, remove some of the junk and throw some of the trash. We do this just to make sure we have more profit and make sure we have a fatter bottom line. Cut. Good?
Yeah.
Cool, man. Well, thanks for recording. Have fun and just, remove all the junk.
What you mean?
You got it. Let me know if you need anything. You're killing it, bro. What's up, YouTube? We are back. It's your friendly neighborhood realtor investor, Jeremy. And yeah, it's been a while. I've been inconsistent with making YouTube videos. I suck, I know. But anyway, I haven't been flipping for a while because the last flip I did last year, I kind of got wrecked. Lost quite a bit of money. So I took a break, just focused on real estate stuff and other business stuff, but we are back, baby. We are back. We are actually parked in front of a flip that just closed today, and I'm actually partnering with my good friend Warren. I made a video about him in the past on our past flip where we made $140,000 in profit. Pretty awesome. But yeah, last year, I got wrecked hard on a flip, took a break, and that feeling is not a good feeling, and one thing I learned, the biggest thing I learned, was to always partner with people. And with Warren, I partnered with him because all of my weaknesses are his strengths and vice versa. Like me, I'm very visionary. I think, oh, let's do this, this is a good idea. But I tend to have this bad habit of, looking over the fine details. And Warren is a freaking amazing guy. Like, first of all, he is a mechanical engineer. So right off the bat, he's a goddamn genius. And he's very good with Excel sheets, numbers, being very accurate. So I think it's a really great yin and yang. He's not here today because he's at his 9-to-5 job and I'm here. So right there, that's another reason why, our partnership is good, because even though he is 9-to-5, his strengths are all of my weaknesses, and me, I'm unemployed. I'm self-employed, so I can come visit the project whenever. Yeah, so I think that makes a great partnership. In fact, let me try to FaceTime him right now. I think he was on his break. Hey.
What's up, baby?
What up, Warren? Hey, we just closed, bro. I'm outside right now.
Nice.
Hey, so why are we... Yeah. Why are we a good partnership, bro?
Why are we a good partnership? I think you bring to the table what I don't have. I think that's the sales side for sure, and you're a go-getter. You've got the resources that I don't have, and I think we complement each other really well.
Dude, hell yeah. Like vice versa too. Like I'm not really good with fine details, but you are. I also said you're employed. You couldn't be here because you're employed, and I'm unemployed.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, what did you want me to do again? You want me to take pictures of everything?
Yeah, could you take some pictures and videos, and then can you just check up on the contractors just to make sure that they're getting some work done, and just confirm with Joe,
okay,
the contractor. He said he's gonna board up the door and change the locks.
Okay.
Can you just make sure that he's still planning to do that?
Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good, brother. Perfect.
Yeah, sweet. Yeah, let me know if you need anything.
Okay.
I'll be free after I fly. When I'm flying, by the way, I'm not gonna be able to do text or answer calls, so.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, shoots later. Okay, so for this deal, we've been working on this for like quite a while. You heard Warren say like, oh, we have to get the data out. So the thing with this is that our point of contact, the seller is the grandma of our point of contact. And there was unfortunately a squatter, which was a relative of our point of contact. So he was like breaking in and out of the house and they wanted him out. So today is our first day where we start demo and all that. So we just got to make sure like the doors are locked, they're changed, even the windows, they're boarded up, just so, he doesn't go back in and possibly damage things when we're renovating, So let's go check it out. Hello. Hey, Joe. Well, This is what we're working with, guys. Most of the junk is in the process of getting out. I got junk there, got junk outside, you saw in the front, and some of the junk is gone and I can see the floor. Most of it is not that bad, actually. We're definitely going to replace the floor here, replace all the cabinets, countertops. Same thing, countertops here. New appliances, new paint, new doors, new windows. Let's see. This is the laundry room. Definitely new toilet, vanity, fixtures, probably new shelving. I don't know if these work. We could probably keep them if it still works, but who knows. Okay, let's go upstairs. Hello. Oh. So I've probably visited this home like 3 times before we bought it. This is always funny whenever I see it. What's that supposed to mean, you know? Oh shit, okay. Try to check out this bathtub. None of the lights work too, so that's what we're working with. Our plan is to demo all of this, make it a stand-up shower. This will probably be a glass wall to give it that, you know, luxury modern vibe. Take out all this white cabinets, simple mirrors over here. Yeah. Bro, I freaking love these. I love little panda. There's a lot going on here. Holy shit. Try turning on the light. Is that working? Oh, perfect. Let's see. Oh, there's a lot of stuff going on here. I'm afraid like I'm gonna step into something sharp and it's gonna pierce my shoes, and then I don't know, whatever happens. You see anything you like, Wendell?
Oh, that printer.
So as you can see, this is a hoarder house. A lot of junk, a lot of other medications. Yeah, we're gonna get all this cleared out soon so we can start the demo. And hopefully we can get this finished, I think in 4 weeks maybe. Yeah, 4 weeks. If you have questions too, you can just ask me on camera. Was it just me, or when we walked in here, I heard people upstairs? Did you hear people upstairs?
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude. So like, we're up here now. You don't see anyone, so I don't know if people are hiding. Anyone hiding here? Here's the bathroom. You see this, dude? It's a bucket of ice water. What the hell? Okay. So this home is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. The 2 bedrooms are upstairs, 1 full bath over here, and then downstairs you saw that half bath. I think it's about 700 square feet. So the details of this home is we acquired it for $335. We got a bid for the rehab to be about $40,000 to $50,000. Well, that's what we're budgeting for, and we think we could sell it for the after repair value, or the ARV. Looks like 513, 515 maybe. Our comp is 513, and we're gonna replicate that, but I think 513 is a weird number to price it at. I don't know. We'll see when we get there. But hopefully we'll be selling at that price point or more, but that's what we're kind of budgeting for or expecting as far as like conservative numbers. Hopefully everything works out according to plan. Very small rehab.
A few moments later.
And someone just walked. Oh, someone just walked in. Let's go. Let's go outside. Oh, hello? Joe? Hey. Jeremy, how's it? No, you're good, you're good. Okay, so yeah, we came in here. I heard someone upstairs. I was like, oh, and then no one was here. So we went upstairs and no one was there. So I was like, oh.
Yeah. Well, you guys were pretty quiet up there. Right?
Yeah, I was like, oh shit. So we're still waiting for him to move the car. I don't know. Oh, he did? He did? Okay, perfect. Over here? Okay, okay. Oh yeah, definitely wanna, I don't know. I know you can't change the doors now, but I don't know if he gets in through the window.
No, I'm gonna
board it up.
I'll play it up.
Perfect, perfect.
Yeah.
Okay.
I told that's right there.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll change this to
Okay.
bottom just in case they have you made extra.
Yep, yep. Okay, perfect. And then we should get funds to you end of the week.
Yeah,
Yeah, sorry for the delay. Yeah,
Nice.
appreciate it. Yeah. You saw that? Oh my god, that's drugs.
Tight, yeah!
I can go to it first before you go on the drugs.
Ah, if you want some, it's
go
okay.
ahead.
Hey, not violent or
Yeah, it's not.
confrontational, so that's good. I appreciate that.
Yeah.
You know, so we try to be nice too.
Yeah,
So
I guess we let him, on the always shit.
yep. So that's good.
He said he's gonna stay around here, so he's trying to come back again.
Okay. But once you're done and we close it, that's it, you know. So thank you, Joe. Cool, man. Okay, I think this is more junk. Yep. So no backyard for this. It's just a townhome condo. Like I said before, I'm just doing small projects. No big single family homes. No $400,000 rehabs. Like, I've learned my lesson. I'm staying away from that. Partnering with people and running your numbers more conservatively. Yeah, when you do that and you buy really good, you buy really deep, then you should have a good deal. So that's pretty much it. We're gonna make videos, or I'm gonna make videos to keep you guys updated with this project. I also have one more project coming on the way. Once we close on that, should be next week. Make some videos on that too. Till then, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.